Let's go on a journey, come and see the letter that begins with B. B is big and B is bright. Let's learn B with joy and light. B is for bear, so big and strong. He climbs up trees and hums a song with fuzzy fur and paws so wide. He gives his friends a cozy ride. Come sing with me. B is the letter for you and me. Let's go explore what B words are waiting for us more. B is for bunny, bouncy and sweet. She hops through gardens with her feet. With twitchy nose and fluffy tail, she leaves a trail on every trail. B is for bee, buzzing all day, flying through flowers in a sunny way. She makes sweet honey, golden and new. Buzz, 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 she's flying to you. B is for Barracuda, sleek and fast. He swims through the ocean, zooming past. With shiny scales and a splashy tail, he rides the waves like a boat with a sail. B is for bat, in the sky so high. He flaps his wings and starts to fly. Upside down, he loves to sleep in quiet caves where dreams are deep. We've learned today so many B words in a playful way. Bear and bunny, bee and bat, Barracuda, imagine that.